Hi everyone, today I would like to show you this beautiful vintage sailboat clock, 2-in-1. So you can use it on the table or you can place it on the wall. Alright, let me show you. It's metal. I love the design, will be perfect decor for your home or maybe office. Comes with accessories. Perfect. I love the design, quality. So before use, please open the back cover and install the battery. Just need one AA battery. So let me place it first. Then I'm gonna place it on my wall. Let's adjust the time. Set it here on the back. Wow, looks so beautiful, elegant, and stylish. I love the quality, vintage design. It will match all your furniture, especially if you're looking for a perfect present for your friend. Will be a great idea. Love it. I found the perfect spot in my room for this vintage sailboat clock. And this is how it's look like on the table. Beautiful handmade design, metal material, vintage style. Looks so elegant and stylish. Will be perfect idea as a present. Guys, I will send this vintage sailboat clock for review and I will definitely recommend you to buy it. Great quality, beautiful design, looks so unique, elegant and stylish. You can always find them on Amazon.